Guys, I've got a great drum riff to practice for today. It's a very popular drum riff and you hear it everywhere. This beat goes by many names, but I call it one hand, both hands. So let me show you how to play it and then I'm going to break it down for you and we'll play it together. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, let's break this beat down and learn how to play it together. So the reason I call this beat one hand, both hands is because that's all you play with the drumsticks the whole time. One hand and then both hands. The whole time, one hand, both hands. One hand, both hands. So let's try this on our practice pad or drum surface. I like to go one hand with my right hand. You can do it either way. Here we go. Let's try it together. One hand, both hands. One hand, both hands. One hand, both hands. One hand, both hands. First you play one hand, then you play both hands. Here we go. One hand, both hands. 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 This drum beat is really great. It's in all kinds of songs. You hear it at different tempos. One, both, one, both, one, both, one, both. You hear it slow and fast, sometimes really fast. One, both, one, both, one, both, one, both. Sometimes nice and slow. One, both, one, both, one, both. All right, guys, let's try it with the music. One, both, here we go.